What's up, everybody? I'm back. I got a little bit more mail, and then I'm gonna open up some boxes I got from some stores. Only got a few things of mail today. Oh, cool, finally. I was wondering when this was gonna come in. Let me take the tape off so you can see it. So, tried to buy up some product on eBay that I'm trying to add to my collection. So got a it's not showing it very well, Tyrese Halliburton rookie card, Prism. All right, and then let's see what we got here. This person must sell a lot because they, oh, I guess I ordered two things from this person. All right. And so we got a Harrison Barnes, and you cannot see that very well at all. Let me turn my other light on and see if that helps. Oh, the light is out. All right, well, let's see if we can get a little bit more light over here. Oops. It's not gonna help. Let me make some adjustments, sorry. There we go, that might be a little bit better. My bird's really pissed at me right now because so she's gonna be noisy. So there we go. Got a Harrison Barnes optic, and it's a blue. So I don't know what the if it's like blue ice or what. I think it might be blue cracked ice. So got one of those to add to my Sacramento Kings collection, and then I got a. I'm surprised that they didn't put it in a sleeve. Buddy Hield. To also add to my Kings collection. Right, next one, we only got a couple. My last video was a lot. All right, we got a playbook, LeBron James. I don't know if that's helping. And let's see what we got in here. Yeah, we got two more. People are all official. They got a receipt and everything. Only a couple people did that. So I'm just having a hard time, you know, finding stuff. I did find some baseball cards at some stores, not Walmart or Target, and found them at CVS. I went to some Rite Aids, and this tape is not coming off this top loader. Anyways, basketball, no way. And football, I found some contenders, but baseball is really the only thing I can get my hands on. So I'm trying to add to my football and basketball collection. So I did a lot of buys on eBay. So I got a Damon Arnett rookie card to add to my Raiders collection. And then the last one we got here. Not happy with me. Oh, okay. That other one, that Buddy Hield, that was a bonus. Because I was like, I ordered one of these. I was like, I guess I ordered it from the same person, but here it is right here. So it looks like now I got two of these. It's from Illusions. So this is taped down pretty well, actually. Let's see if I can get it off here. All right, man, they really taped this down. So I know I got a Buddy Hield. Can't remember the other one that I ordered with this. There's like two from this buyer that I ended up getting. Also, my collectible card subscription is on the way, so I'll do that opening soon. Oh, Karis LeVert. That's who we got. So, and I think I want a Karis, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Thought I got a Karis LeVert patch, but I could be wrong. Karis LeVert, he is now on the Pacers, which he's not playing because they found a mass in his kidney. So, Karis LeVert, and then here's the Buddy Hield that I ordered. So, that other person actually sent me an extra card, which was pretty cool. So, that's it for the mail day stuff. So, I have a few more things on the way, but the majority of it I opened on another video that's posted. So I think I'm going to, so I have only one pack of football cards. I have some contenders that I got at Walmart. I had bought 4 boxes of these. My very first pack, I got a Justin Herbert. So that was a pretty nice thing to get in the very first pack you open. But I didn't really want to get any more boxes because I got quite a few repeat cards, doubles, triples. So I just grabbed a pack just to see if I would get lucky. So open this one up, see if I get anything. Got a kid reporter. All right, let's see. Just got looks like a couple inserts in the back. All right, so we got an Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, officially retired Phillip Rivers, Big Ben, Dak, Jimmy G, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, and one that I haven't gotten yet, Gardner Minshew. All the other ones I've gotten in my other packs, so I'll probably give those to my son. And then we got an insert here, Legendary Contenders, Emmitt Smith. Very nice. Don't have that one. Ooh, very cool. We got a round numbers, Justin Herbert and Jordan Love. Really nice. That's a good hit in there. And MVP Contenders, Jared Goff. And, ooh, Rookie of the Year, T. Higgins. So this was actually not bad. This was just, I guess, a little fat pack. It has 22 cards. It was only $5 at Walmart. And I got, you know, 22. So I got 18 base cards. And then I got 4 inserts. Really good inserts, actually. I don't really care so much about the Jared Goff. I'm not too big of a fan, but I don't have that card. And then the T. Higgins, that's nice. I don't have a T. Higgins rookie card. And then I don't have a Jordan Love rookie card, so that's really nice with both of them on there. And then I like this legendary Emmitt Smith. So that was a really good pack. I'm really happy with that. Really, really happy with that. I'm going to give all those other ones to my son. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is, I think I might open this Topps Heritage. Now, it says there's 3 9-card packs. Packs with a special insert may contain only 5 to 8 cards. Bringing back the 1971 Topps design. Look for real one autographs and relic cards. So, it's possible. It's possible. So, let's see. I've never opened one of these. I may have gotten a pack of these in my collectible card club subscription. I may have. I can't, I remember Heritage, but it might have been like minor league. So let's see. See what we get in this. Okay, 3 packs in here. That was $24.99, I believe. Okay. Yeah, I don't remember getting these in there. I think they were the Topps Heritage Minor League. So, let's see what we get. Now it says with the special insert, they may only contain 5 to 8 cards, but This one may be slightly smaller. I don't know. It's hard to tell. We'll see. Let's see what's in it. I found these at Walmart. Okay, let's see. We got something in there. Something thick. Okay, Steven Strasburg. I know he's good on the Nationals. Brian O'Grady, rookie card. Danny Duffy on the Royals. So I do recognize these cards, and it was minor league. Austin Voth, Nationals, and there we go. Here's a hit. We got a Trey Mancini patch. Really cool. On the Orioles. Very, very nice. Really cool. Okay, and then we got a Dallas Keuchel. You know, and I missed if any of these guys were... No rookies. Here's a rookie card. John Birdie, Marlins. Cameron Maben. And Michael Franco. So really cool. First pack, we got a patch. Really, really cool. All right. Now, I don't know if that's like per box. Oh, man. All right, there we go. I knew there was something in that one because it was thick. There was something thick in there. Let's see. All right, nothing in this one. Rich Hill. Junior Guerra, I don't know how to pronounce that. Michael Wacha. Tyler Beatty. Add to my Giants. We got a insert Now and Then Max Muncy Smack Talk. I'll insert there. Oh, let me look at that patch and see if it's numbered. No, it's not numbered. Nope, still really cool. Yohander Mendez, rookie card. Sergio Romo. Luis Rengifo. And Athletics Jake Diekman, also to add. And then the last pack in here. All right, Kevin Pillar, Francisco Cervelli, Daniel Descalso, Luis Torrens, Francisco Liriano, rookie card of David Bednar, Franchi Cordero, rookie card of Garrett Stubbs, and Jonathan LaCroix. So, not bad. Got that one patch card out of this. Got a few rookie cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rookie cards from that. 3 packs. And then the Max Muncy insert. And then the Trey Mancini patch. Pretty good hit. Alright. So, got those open. Be interesting to see if I get another one if it has something in it. Okay, so I got these, I think, at CVS. They're like $8 a box. And then I found another one. These are 100 cards. So I guess there's cards and then there's 1 pack in it. These ones were 80. They were the same price, different CVS's. So I saw these online. Some dude was like hunting for cards. So I just thought, let's try it out. It says 1 in 4 contains a hit. So I got 4 boxes. So let's see if we get a hit in one of them. Ooh, and these are really, really like glued. Really glued in there. Alright. I think we got it open. So yeah, a lot of loose cards and then a pack. So I don't really know the story behind these. I know the guy didn't go through the cards, but you could tell it was like a random mix of various cards throughout the years. A lot of cards I already have. And then, so it's just a lot of loose cards. And then there is a pack. So let's see what we got. Let me see. I'm gonna look and see if we got anything like decent in here. Maybe a rookie card. All baseball. All different tops. Nope, that's not a rookie card. Looks like from the 90s. All from the 90s. Giants, Kevin Bass. There we go. Can add to my Giants collection. Yeah, oh, we got Score. Topps Gold. So, Topps Gold. Fleer Ultra. Ooh, this one's an 82 Fleer. Fred Paddock. I don't know who that is. That's an 82 card. Kind of like getting cards from the 80s because I don't have a ton of them. So yeah, nothing really good so far. Cecil Fielder All-Star. Just kind of cool to add to the collection. Jose Uribe from when he was on the Giants. Jim Corsi from the A's. Nothing big yet. We'll see if maybe in that pack there's a hit. Oral Hershiser, Donruss. Just a random, somebody probably that just has so many cards and they just throw cards in a box and then they sell them. Bill Mooneyham on the Athletics. Kevin Youkilis, Signature Stars, Upper Deck. No rookies yet, it seems. I don't want to like go through all of these, naming them to you guys, because a lot of them aren't really worth anything. But it's kind of cool. I have cards from a lot of these brands, but I can see that I don't have some of them. We've got a Brandon Crawford. Or Crawford Brandon, Giants. Let's see who got here. No rookie. Curious if there's rookies. Maybe there's a rookie in that pack right there. This is a thick card right here. Oh, wait a minute. This is 2 cards. I was like, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Future Stars, Alex Verdugo. Not sure if that's a rookie card. I'll check that out later. It says Future Stars, so it might just be like his second year. John Burkett, Giants. Mark Teixeira when he was on the Yankees. Oh, here's a rookie card. Dylan Maples from the Cubs. So I got a rookie card right there. But yeah, just a really very Luis Polonia when he was on the A's. Really varied mix of cards. They're, you know, a little bit warped. A little bit warped, so but I'm just looking to collect them. Oh, we got a Cecil SV rookie. I have that because I have all the 89 Topps cards. Oh, nice. Cal Ripken. I don't have that one. I add that to my Cal Ripken collection. Very cool. Let's see. Ooh, a player game info. I don't know how that got in there. Almost done here. That is not a rookie. Ooh, Tony Gwynn. There we go. I added my Tony Gwynn, and I do not have that card. Dave Dravecky when he was on the Padres. And we got Roger Mason from the Giants. 87 Donruss. So this is kind of a fun little pack to go through. Albert Bell, Starstruck. Score 96. Ooh, this one's shiny. Charlie Huff when he was on the Marlins. Okay, so nothing crazy in there. Got a Tony Gwynn and a Cal Ripken to add to my collection. Looks like only a couple rookie cards, nothing big. I got some cards to add to my A's and Giants. Okay, so these are Upper Deck, it looks like. So, they're kind of stuck together. Upper Deck, 2008. So we got a Kevin Kuzmanoff, Michael Goodyear, Mika Owings. These cards are kind of stuck together. Uh-oh, I found a card that I like. Andrew Jones. I only have one of his, so that's pretty nice to add that. And then a rookie, Lance Broadway. And, ooh, very cool, Frank Thomas when he was on the Blue Jays, and it's a checklist. Very cool. So I can add that to my collection too, my Frank Thomas collection. Okay, so that was our 80 card pack. I'm going to try to go from the bottom because getting into the top was very difficult, and it already looks like the bottom is easier. Okay, so they're all just like loosely in there. Okay, so we got our pack. Looks like it's the same Upper Deck. So let's see if we get anything good in this one. Any rookie cards or anybody to add to my collection. Kind of the same so far. Here's a Giants, Chris Spear. Another Cecil Espy rookie card. Gary Sheffield. A double. 3 and 2 of this guy, Lamar Hoyt. Got 2 of those, same card. So this is like a really good pack for probably like a kid who just wants to add to their collection. You know, nobody really big name in here, but if they just want to add to their card collection, this is a pretty good box. It's only $8. Oh, there's a Dodgers team card. It's kind of cool. There's another. This isn't even all of it. There's a good amount of cards. This one has 80, so the other boxes have a little bit more. It looks like there is a Steven Moya rookie card. And we got a Doc Gooden and a Felix Hernandez. Okay, so let's see what we got in these ones. Anything good? We got Rico Rossi Prospects. This is Fleer 92. Oops, this is not my rookie pile, is it? Nope. Get my piles mixed up here. Let's see. Howard Johnson. Ooh, this one looks old. What's this from? This 82? 82 Fleer. John Stearns. Dave Goltz. Also 82 Fleer. You get cards like this in there. That's 87. I have a few of those. Brian Barber rookie card. But yeah, it looks like just from the 80s and 90s, various cards. Looks like very similar as far as like somebody just has a ton of these, probably just so many doubles, triples, quads, probably even more than that, and they just throw them in a box and sell them. Sell them to CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens. I don't know if they have the same ones, but All right, so nothing really big in that one. Not a lot of Azer Giants in there. So I'm gonna open our upper deck pack and see what we get. Okay, so didn't get a hit in that other one. Let's see if we get lucky. Giovanni Gallardo. Jeremy Affeldt. So they're kind of stuck together. Damaso Marti. From the A's, Travis Buck. It's got an A's. And then we got a season highlights, J.R. Tolles. And then a rookie, Felipe Paulino. All right, two more. Going from the bottom. These are the 100 card packs now. And let's see if these are a little bit different. I got these at a different store. So we do. Ooh, we have a 2019 opening day pack. So, a little bit different. I don't think there's anything up there. Let me just double check. Nope, nothing up there. All right. Let's see what we get. So it's similar. So maybe the same people's putting these boxes together, the 100 packs and the 80 packs. Here's a Top Prospects, Greg Blosser. Ooh, Alan Bennis, draft pick 93. I'd like to add some cards to my, like my Cal Ripken and my Tony Gwynn and Frank Thomas that I got. Rookie, Doug Davis. Another rookie, Thomas Howard. The cards are so different. Gotta check them really carefully for... See, I got that one. I got that Mike Benjamin from the Giants. All sorts of ways. Every which way. Got a Mike Benjamin from the Giants. I do have that card already. Let's see. Nothing yet. Mike Lacoste on the Giants. Benito Santiago. A lot of 89 tops. Don Robinson on the Giants. Dwayne Murphy when he was on the A's. Dave Stewart on the A's. Two of Eric Chavez on the Yankees, same card. There's a rookie of Cody Buckle. And last, oh no, we still got a lot. Bartolo Colon. There's a little bit different cards in this one that weren't in the other boxes. Some like a little bit newer ones. Oh, here's an old school looking card. This is from 82 Tops. Tom versus Verizer. Some Pinnacle cards in here. Pinnacle. Nothing amazing in there. Nothing yet. Rookie of Jason Delero. Nothing in there. Rookie of John Mabry. And coming down to the end here of these. Another checklist. I don't care about those. There's a 84 Ron Hodges. And let's see. Ooh, this one's old looking. This is another 82 Fleer. And this was a 83 tops, Jerry Augustine. 81 tops, Harry Spillman. Pretty cool. Looks like we got a Brandon Cromer rookie card. Dwayne Murphy on the Athletics. And another Jim Corsi for the A's. Okay, so really nothing in there. And then we're going to open this on 2019 opening day. It says packs with special inserts may only contain 2 to 5 cards. Well, let's see. Maybe we got a hit. Maybe we only got 5 cards in here. Doesn't feel like 2. Let's see if we got a hit. Doesn't look like it. So we got Shin-Soo Choo. Oh, there we go. Mike Trout. Not a hit, but that's a good card to have. Mike Trout. Ahmed Rosario. 150 Years of Fun. Sandy Koufax. Nice little insert. Derek Dietrich. Nicholas Castellanos. And David Price. So, nothing amazing in there. Got that Mike Trout. That's cool. Alright, last box. Let's see. It's the same opening day pack that's in here. So, probably that's what you're going to get in these packs. They might change, maybe. Buy some more next time I'm able to, and we'll see. I've got a Dave Stewart on the A's. I'm going to add some to my A's and Giants collection. $87 Donruss. Mookie Wilson. John Burkett on the Giants. John Burkett. Michael Morandini, remember him. Terry Steinbeck. A rookie of Ben McDonald. And Kevin Bass on the Giants. And Kurt Manwaring on the Giants. All right. See what else we got in here. Let's get a hit. Let's get a hit. All right, we got a rookie of Dave Pavlis. Got a rookie of Mike Goulan. My son's probably popping in, being silly. All right, let's see. These ones look like they're all the same. This is what, 2017 tops. Yeah, nothing like amazing in here. No rookies. Bob Milwaukee. Got another Benny Santiago. Top prospects. Oh, this is kind of cool. Look who's on there. Pat Mahomes. The Chiefs quarterback, the reigning MVP. His old man's on there. It's kind of cool. That's a rookie. Top prospects. Future star Tim Pisnarski. Very just random mix of cards. I have this dude's autograph when he was on the A's, Mike Gallego, on a baseball. Him and Willie Wilson. A little bit different cards, and here's a Ross Ollendorf rookie card. A little bit different cards in the 100 pack than the 80 pack. Todd Burns on the A's. All right, coming down to the end here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh, Wade Boggs when he was on the Yankees. All right. Almost there. What's this one? 1984 United States baseball team, Mike Dunn. I haven't seen one of those in these boxes. Really cool mix of cards if you just kind of want to have a nice variety of random cards from the 80s and 90s. But nothing outstanding, nothing where you're like, oh, that's a big hit. So let's see. This is our last pack. Let's see if we get our hit in here. So normally there's 7 cards in here. So let's see. Doesn't look like we got a hit. Cedric Mullins. Hunter Renfroe, not the football player. Avisail Garcia. We got the Astros mascot. We got a Max Muncy. We got a Steven Piscotty on the A's. And we have a Franmil Reyes. And that's it. Well, if you hung out and watched this whole opening, you can kind of see all the cards right there stacked up. Thanks for sticking around and watching. So, from those 4 boxes, you know, I got some stuff to add to my Oakland A's and San Francisco Giants collection. I have a nice little collection of, I have Wade Boggs, got a Mike Trout from one of those packs, Frank Thomas. Some of these are when they were like, you know, nearing retirement. Andrew Jones, Tony Gwynn, Cal Ripken, and then a couple Benny Santiagos, Gary Sheffield, Albert Bell, Mark Teixeira, and then a Sandy Koufax insert from the opening day pack. And then we've got a handful of rookie cards, nothing amazing, so a handful of rookie cards. And then the Fleer, 2020 Fleer, we got a Trey Mancini jersey card. So not numbered. And then on our only pack of contenders for football, we got a Emmitt Smith legendary, really cool round numbers, Justin Herbert and Jordan Love, a rookie of T. Higgins, MVP insert of Jared Goff. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching all those openings. And the next video I probably post will be my Collectible Card Club subscription box that I get in. I posted that earlier, and I got some pretty cool cards from it. I got like 3 autographs from it, and one of those was a autograph and a jersey. And then I pulled the Zion rookie card out of only 3 packs of basketball in there. It's the multi-sport. So anyways, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.